How to edit photo for your e-commerce website professionally in just one click. If you are running a e-commerce store and want to upload a product photo, you don't need to hire a designer. All you need is one app. Go to Play Store. From here, download Photoroom Studio Photo Editor. I have already downloaded. Let's open. This is the user interface. From here, you can remove the background of the photo, you can retouch, resize, and a lot of things. Let me show you one by one. First, tap on Start from Photo. Then select the photo of your product and it will automatically remove the background of the product photo. Just tap the download button and save to gallery. It will be saved on your gallery. If you want to create this more professionally, just scroll down and you will find a lot of Instagram story ideas. If you like any design, you can select this and download that. Profile picture, social media, if you want to create social media post, then you can go with that. Marketplace, if you want to add this to Amazon, you can select this and download this. If you want to post to Instagram, you can choose from a lot of options to create and customize. Download the photo and upload it to your e-commerce store. By this way, you can convert an ordinary photo into a professional masterpiece, and you can use this to your social media or e-commerce platform. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you like this. Please subscribe the channel to get more this kind of videos regularly. Thanks for watching.